ready for another lesson on our CMS. Today we'll be doing how to send a message on your mailing list. So first we get to our login screen, /user/login. I'll log into your website. You're going to look for a button over here that says mailing list. If we click on it, it shows the messages that we've already sent. We have not sent any messages. If I expand it, I can see the subscribers that I have. Currently, I am my only active subscriber. So if I send a newsletter, I'm the only one that gets it. If you have a list in Excel, you can import a list of subscribers. If you have a clipboard at the front of your store and you're manually taking newsletter subscriptions, you can add them here by clicking New Subscriber. Put in their email, first name, last name, that's optional. And they will be active automatically if you manually enter them. So let's go back to the mailing list. Again, this was our list of existing letters that we've sent out. We haven't sent one. So we're going to send a new message. So subject is your email subject line. So this could be spring newsletter. Here's where you would type your message. I'm just going to use some Latin filler. I like to keep the newsletter short and sweet, make it look like it's coming from you rather than a bunch of formatted text and colors. If you're promoting a product, you want to be sure to include a link to that. So it would be something, click here for more information. Highlight, click here. Insert a link. And of course you would link this to your website, http. And if it was to draw attention to a product, link to the product, not directly to the home page. Don't make them dig for the product. So go to the product page, copy the URL. For more information on my new product, click here, and that inserts the link for email. Now, when you're ready to send the message, the first thing you want to do is let's talk about what it does when you hit submit. By default, it saves the message. Nothing's worse than working on a newsletter and somebody comes in your office and you stop. You deal with them for 10 or 15 minutes. You get back to your newsletter. You finish typing. You click save the message, and you're logged out of your website. You got to start completely over. So by default, if somebody walks in the room, just hit submit. That just saves the message where we were at. It didn't send it to anybody. When we come back and log in tomorrow, we will see the message. If I just go to my mailing list, here's the message that we created today but we never sent. I can open it back up. Now, if you think it's ready, you should send it to yourself. So the next option is send preview. Put your email address in here. Hit submit. You can also attach a file. If you did make a fancy newsletter in Word or in Publisher and you want to attach it, I would make it a PDF and then attach it to the file. And in that case, you would have probably just made the message body, please see attached newsletter. Okay, so my message was sent. We'll go check my email in a second. Oh, there it is, spring newsletter. Click here for more information. Make sure it does load the web page that I wanted it to. It does. So next thing would be to just send the message. So when I click send message, I've got to pick a group of recipients. By default, you're going to use all subscribers. You can create groups, but that means you're making additional newsletters. You could have if this was an ag website and you had sheep and cows and horses and 3 separate newsletters, this newsletter's for the horses, you'd send to the horse group. But if you create groups, which you do here, it's just that many more newsletters that you do have to create. So this is very simple. Just new message, type your subject, type your body, pick your recipients, all subscribers, send the message, submit, and it sends the message to all your subscribers. Very simple. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.